The next divine name is Al-Mu'min, which means the faithful. This divine name has several possible meanings. One is that the faithful is the one who grants faith to people. The faithful is also the one who protects his faithful servants in this world and in the next. In fact, all security in both worlds is only granted by Allah, the Exalted, the Lord of the worlds. If a Muslim desires this protection, they should be faithful to the covenant of obedience they took with Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. In turn, He will fulfill His promise and protect them in both worlds. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 40.
Fulfill my covenant upon you, that I will fulfill your covenant from me.
And chapter 65 At-Talaq, verse 2.
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out.
One should be faithful towards all of creation by treating them kindly and fulfilling any promises made with them. One cannot be faithful to Allah, the Exalted, while cheating or mistreating the creation. As Allah, the Exalted, has commanded kind treatment of people, fulfilling this duty is part of being faithful to Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim protects others from their verbal and physical harm. This is in fact the sign of a true Muslim and believer, according to the narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4998. A Muslim encourages others to gain the protection of Allah, the Exalted, through his sincere obedience, and warn them against disobeying Him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.